Hello everyone, here's another watch ads to earn vet tokens that you should be doing. What you're basically doing here is to watch some ads, and then after watching those ads you'll be credited with one vet. One vet is currently trading in Binance at 0.024, so you are sure of accumulating up to 10 USDT if you can accumulate up to 500 of these vet, and a day you can watch 20 vet and 20 ads and accumulate 20 vet for a single day. Okay, so what you're basically doing here is very simple. Just click ads and watch from Telegram. So each ad you click here in this app will direct you to Telegram, where you can go and watch the ads. After watching the ads, you will go back and claim your vet tokens. Okay, so I'll take you through the step-by-step process on how to go about it and how to withdraw your vet tokens to Binance, and then afterwards convert to USDT. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you subscribe and stay connected in our WhatsApp group so that you don't miss out. So let's get started. So here's the interface of the app. So what you are gonna be doing is to head over here where you have this N over here. Now you click on it, but remember to click on home. After clicking on home, it will take you to this interface. Then you click on this N more over here. You click on that, and then it will take you here. Whenever you have to scroll down here, or you scroll here and click on this tax. All right, you can see now for the day I've claimed 20%. Each day you come in this app, you'll be claiming 20 vet. It will be adding up here for you. All right, so whenever you claim, it will pop up here. Your completed will show right here. I've claimed 4 for today. Yesterday I claimed 20. That's why it's showing up here. And then each one that is remaining will show right here. Okay, and your total claim for the day will be showing up here, or your total claim for the week or for the month will be showing up right here. Okay, so each day you wake up, just open the app from your Telegram and log in here. After clicking on your home page, you have to come to this task here, start task, and click on this task. Okay, so you click on it. It will now take you directly to Telegram, where you can go and watch an ads. All right, let's let it load. So here's another ad that has just been loaded up. By just clicking on that start button, it's going to take you to your Telegram as usual, and here is the ad interface. Okay, so what you are basically doing is just to watch this ad. So when this ad is loaded in full, just watch for some seconds and then you go back. Okay, so you click on continue. Whenever it takes you to this page on your Telegram, just click on continue. Then it's just gonna load up the site. Okay, don't allow it to load up 100%. Just go back immediately and click on this ASAP. Okay, you click on that, and then the reward will be granted. The reward will be granted immediately, and it's gonna show up right here. Okay, it's gonna show up right here, and your percentage here is gonna be increasing. All right, that is how you that is what you have to be doing here in this app. Okay, then if you want to withdraw, this is how you withdraw. Just click on here, click on there, and then watch the next video on how to withdraw from Binance. After having, like, the minimum you can withdraw here is 100 Nexus or 100 vet tokens, and you can see that whenever you accumulate, it's going to be showing up here. Just as I said, it's going to be showing up here. And then for you to make a withdrawal, this is where you make a withdrawal. Just head over to withdraw and click on it. Then you click on the select method. You choose the method, your preferred method. Currently, it's only Binance that is supported. Okay, so you click on the Binance that is supported. Then you click on, after selecting Binance, you click on the amount that you want to be withdrawing. Okay, you can click amount you select the amount you want to be withdrawing, and then you insert your Binance UID here. So you go to your Binance straight up and copy your UID, Binance UID, and insert here. Okay, so here is my Binance UID. Let's go to Binance and let me copy it up. So here's my Binance. If you click over here, you click over there, you load up your UID. That is where the UID section is hidden. Okay, so here is my Binance UID. Okay, so just click over here and copy it, and then go back to the Nexus platform and insert the code right there. Okay, and insert the code right here. All right, so after inserting the code right here, you click on submit withdrawal, and the tokens will be sent automatically to your Binance exchange. They can go over there and convert it to USDT. Okay, so that is how you withdraw from this legit platform. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section and I'll reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.